I'm going to be swapping out the standard rear armrest for one with built-in cup holders. This is the new part. It's a B7 rear armrest with the regular storage compartment, but it also has rear cup holders. To remove the armrest, there's one Torx bolt which is right down there, just at the bottom, that we need to unscrew. So I find the best way to get in is to get your hand on the back of the armrest and then push the seat with your thumb, and then that exposes the Torx bolt, and then we should just be able to get in there and unscrew it. It's out. Now if we tip the armrest up and then tilt it over to the side, it should just pop out. So then the fitting of the new one should be the opposite of the removal. You stick the left hand side in first, stick these two pins in first, and we twist it in place. And now we just need to put the screw back in. And that's it, now it's installed. If we pull it down, cup holders.